It's a Nicholson auger bit file. And these little guys are kind of cool. That is an FT10. This is an MT10. And they're going to be very handy for those times that I want to just take the burr off of something. And I don't want to remove a lot of material. Like when somebody's cobbled on one of these drills and filed on the wrong part of it. Because they won't take a lot of material off, I'll be able to just go in there and very nicely clean up the mess. And I'll always have this Nicholson for the purpose it was intended for, which is sharpening auger bits. The safe edge on that file means it doesn't cut into the shank of the bit as I'm sharpening. And it won't cut into the bit as I'm sharpening the spurs. Now, even though I've shown you multiple ways to make your own safe files, an auger bit file is a handy thing to have. If you find one, certainly pick it up. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.